everyone, welcome back to the Paul Mitchell YouTube channel. I'm Jessica. Today's video is super simple and quick. We have this look right here, sort of like a retro half up, half down. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already. And if you are, thank you so much for joining us again. But we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. That awkward moment when you thought your camera was in focus, but it's all good. So first, going in with the Neuro Heat Control Spray. Friendly reminder to always spray your hair with a thermal protectant before you apply any heat from heat tools on your hair. And my heat tool of choice today is the Neuro XL. This is actually one of my favorite heat tools of all time because I can do so much with it. But anyway, I digress. As you saw, I went about midway through my hair and ran all the way down and curled inward. So it creates this nice flip right at the end. And I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair. I'm just going to show you a couple more times. Again, midway, flip right at the end, and I just hold it for a few seconds. The strands I'm getting aren't too thick. I would say they are about an inch. I'm horrible at measurements, but just know they're not that thick. So again, just going midway, curling inward. And as you can see, it's starting to form that nice bubble right at the end. Love that transition. Thank you very much. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair. Again, don't forget that thermal spray. This is the Neuro Protect. I do want to mention as well that my hair is sort of on the straighter side, and I understand not everybody has my hair type. A good tip is if you have curlier hair or wavier hair and you want to make sure it's sleek, I would go in with an iron first, straighten out your hair, and then follow up with that Curl XL and curl right at the ends, and it'll do the same exact thing. So now we're putting it up. I go from the tip of my ear and I bring it all the way up to the crown of my head. And then I gather that up, and you're about to see in a second how I use a couple clips just to hold down my hair. And this just ensures that when I put my hair up, I don't catch any of the hairs on the bottom. So I just want to make sure those are secure down there. Going in with the Paul Mitchell Firm Style Super Clean Sculpting Gel. This just helps me lay everything down, put all those flyaways away, and just make sure it has a good hold at the base of my hair. And then going in with the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Teasing Brush. Although this is a teasing brush, I love this brush for creating slick back looks because of how dense it is, and it just lays everything down and pretty much does all the work for me. Make sure you get that top of your head too. So I'm going in with a clear elastic. I'm just putting it right up. And then I'm going to go back in with the Curl XL and curl my bangs a little bit more than I did the ends of my hair because I like how voluminous it looks and a little bit more glam, if you will. So you can go ahead and do your bangs any way you'd like. This is how I prefer. And then going in with the Neuro Finish Style Spray. This just ensures hold and beautiful shine. I love this spray, so make sure you get it all around your hair and on your bang. And I also like spraying it on the top of my hair. I already brushed that down. But then going in with the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Ion XL brush. This really just helps brush everything out and soften it up. And as you saw, I go in the motion like the curler just to mimic it, and it just really brings everything together. I love this look. I'm so obsessed with it, and it's so pretty for casual days or dress-up days. I'm not sure if I love the side part or the middle part that I had in the intro. Works both ways. That sums up the entire video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did or found it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. If you have any questions on the products or any of the videos, make sure you drop those comments down below with your questions, and we'll be happy to get to them. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.